festival. It is a special day for our India. Long ago, many brave men and women fought for our freedom fighters. Freedom fighters wanted us to live in an independent country where we can play, learn and grow without fear. Finally, the many years of hard struggle, India got independent on 15th August 1947. Let's salute our brave freedom fighters who made this possible and whose stories inspire us to be brave and always stand up for what is right. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country. Happy Independence Day to all of you. In last, I would like to express my words through Marathi poem. स्वातंत्र्याचा ध्वजा फडकतो सूर्य तडपतो प्रगतीचा. स्वातंत्र्याचा ध्वजा फडकतो सूर्य तडपतो प्रगतीचा. भारत मातेच्या पराक्रमाला करते मानाचा मुजरा. करते मानाचा मुजरा. थँक यू. जय हिंद, जय भारत. सुप्रभात. मेरा नाम पंखुड़ी नितेश सिंह है और आज मैं स्वतंत्रता दिवस के उपलक्ष्य पर एक छोटा सा भाषण देने वाली हूँ. आज हम हमारे महान राष्ट्र के 78वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस का उत्सव मना रहे हैं, तो हम उन अनगिनत बलिदानों को याद करते हैं जो हमारे स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने दिए थे. उनके अदम्य साहस और अटूट संघर्ष के कारण ही आज हम स्वतंत्रता की हवा में सांस ले रहे हैं. हमारी स्वतंत्रता की यात्रा न ही छोटी थी और न ही आसान थी. यह एक ऐसा मार्ग था जो चुनौतियों से भरा था, लेकिन यह एक ऐसा मार्ग भी था जो भारत के कोने कोने से उठे हुए नायकों की बहादुरी से आलोकित था. न्याय और समानता के लिए उनके संकल्प ने इतिहास के पन्नों पर एक अमिट छाप छोड़ दी है. इनमें से कई स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों में से एक है आज़ाद चंद्रशेखर. मैं उनकी वीरता को एक छोटी सी कविता के माध्यम से दर्शाना चाहती हूँ. शेखर महायज्ञ का नायक गौरव भारत भूखा है, जिसका भारत की जनता से रिश्ता आज लहू का है. जिसके जीवन के दर्शन ने हिम्मत की परिभाषा दी, जिसके पिस्टल की गोली ने इनकलाब को भाषा दी. जिसकी यश गाथा भारत के घर घर चुंबी है. जिसकी यश गाथा भारत के घर घर में नभचुम. यह कविता से मैं आज़ाद चंद्रशेखर की वीरता को दर्शाना चाहती हूँ. ऐसे ही कई स्वतंत्रता सेनानी और भी थे. उनमें से सुभाष चंद्र बोस, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल और रानी लक्ष्मीबाई और भी कई थे. हम अपने पूर्वजों के सपने को पूरा करने वाले हैं, जो था कि एक ऐसा भारत बनाए जो एकता, विविधता और प्रगति के मूल्यों से समाहित रहे. आप भी मेरी ऐसा ही एक भारत बनाने में मदद कीजिए. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Respected Chief Guest, Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating 70th Independence Day of our country. It is special day of our country. On 15th August, our India became independent from British rule. So it is national festival of our India. We should be always grateful to our freedom fighter. I love my country. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Good morning everyone who are present here. Today I am giving vote of thanks for this wonderful event. This wonderful event is our 78th Independence Day. We got Independence Day before 78 years. We are celebrating this 78th day at the conclusion I am giving vote of thanks to our chief guests who inspired us by their presence, teachers by their wonderful giving performance, staff for making the event successful, and students and parents for their enthusiastic presence. Once of all, thank you to all parents and all the teachers, staff, chief guests and all. Today I am lastly saying that we will enjoy this freedom with the unity and we will continue this independence for a long time. Thank you.
Teachers and my fellow students, today we are gathered here to celebrate a momentous occasion in our nation's history, our Independence Day. On this day, 78 years ago, India broke free from the chains of colonial rule and embarked on a journey of self-determination and progress. We owe our freedom to countless brave souls who have sacrificed their lives for our independence. Their courage and determination inspires us to uphold the values of liberty, equality and justice. As we hoist our national flag and sing our national anthem, let us take a look at the struggles and achievements that have shaped our country. Our freedom is a reminder that we have the power to shape our destiny and chase our dreams and make a difference in the world. Let us work together to make a brighter tomorrow where every individual can thrive and reach its full potential. Our freedom is priceless and it is our duty to safeguard it with generations to come. Thank you. Thank you.
Shiva, Devi, Independence Day, Festival. Respected principal ma'am, teachers, all my dear friends, I wish you all very nice, happy Independence Day. Independence Day is National Festival. It is also a international festival.
Okay, thank you so much. Please take the next student.
Morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, all my dear friends. I wish you very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. I wish you very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival.
हाँ बोल बोल की
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ira Somnath Lelkar.
Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Wish you happy Independence Day. बोल पुढे बघायचं. Happy Independence Day. बोल नाही बोल. Happy Independence Day. Look at me. Thank you. असू दे. Next.
कसं काय
Good morning. Good morning.
Respected principal, teachers, all my dear friends. I wish you all very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival. It's celebrated 15 August. It is the just to
All students, please make a line to deliver your speech. Students, those who are giving speech, please make a line.
India became independent from the British rule. Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. We are celebrating Independence Day. On 15 August 1947, we got
Freedom.
freedom from British rule.
Many great leaders
Many leaders and so on
sacrificed
sacrificed their life
during freedom struggle.
during freedom struggle.
Be proud to be Indian
We proud to be here.
and let's sing with me. Vijay Vishwa Tiranga.
My name is Adorani Kalite. I am studying in the KG class. Today is the Independence Day. I wish you very happy Independence Day. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Krishna Avinash Kulkarni from Junior KG class.
Today is 15th August.
Today is 15 August.
Our Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Wish you all
Wish you all happy Independence Day.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Mangesh Saluke from Senior KG. Today we are celebrating 17th Independence Day. Many warriors such as Mahatma helped India to become independent. This day teaches about power of unity. Among all my Indians, happy independence all my Indians. Bolo mere sab, Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Thank you.
बोला.
First, all of you,
कुठे गेलं
I wish
जिल्हा काय
very happy Independence Day. Respected principal, parents, teacher, guests, all my dear friends. My name is Ananya Kumar. I am studying first class. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating Independence Day. We are national flag on this. We sing national anthem.
पाणी नाही लवकर नंतर
I am proud that.
नाही मग ते लगेच नको आहे एका क्लास
Thank you. Good morning, respected chief guests, principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Rajnandini Mole. Today is I am first standard. Today is Independence Day. I wish you very happy Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August every year. In 1947, India free from British rule. Independence Day is national festival. Thank you. जय श्री अच्छा हे सीता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. Good morning, respected chief guest, respected principal ma'am, all teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Avika Shrivastava. I study in grade 2nd Leo class. We all come here to celebrate Independence Day. First, I will wish you very happy Independence Day. On this day, we host our national flag and sing our national anthem. 15 August 1947, we got freedom from the British. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Respected chief guest, principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Barasan Rangarkar. I am studying in first class. First of all, I wish you very happy Independence Day on 15 August. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. We are speak about Republic Day. He was very freedom fighter. He wanted to free India from British. 15 August 1947, India became Independent Day. We sing a song national anthem. I would like in my speech famous slogan. तुम मुझे कम दो मैं तुम्हारे दूंगा. Thank you. Morning everyone. Respected principal ma'am, teacher, all my dear friends. My name is Sharanya Nilesh Gadkari. I wish you happy Independence Day. Today, 15 August, the independence of our country. This day is the national festival of our country. Independence Day is the occasion to reconnect with our history. Today we gather to celebrate Independence Day is the occasion to reconnect with our history. Today we gather to celebrate respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. At our sister, wish you very happy Independence Day. Today is 15 August. We are celebrating Independence Day is the national festival of India. It is a big day for Indian citizens. Today is we hope national flag on this day. Everyone sings the national anthem on this day. We got freedom on this day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. My name is Krishna Pratibha. Today we are celebrating Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Today is the 15th August. We are celebrating 78th Independence Day. We got freedom on this day from British rule. We sing national anthem Jana Gana Mana. I proud of my country. I love my country very much. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. My name is Shardula Vinay Shahivale. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all dear my friends. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate Independence Day. Our freedom fighter who fought against to celebrate Independence Day. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. And teachers and all my friends. Today we celebrate our country freedom. Good morning.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Good morning, principal ma'am, teachers, and all my friends. My name is Kaivalya Prakash Shinde. Today is very special day. 15 August Independence Day. We celebrate our country freedom. This day is the national festival of our country. Independence Day is great day. I love my country so much. I am proud that I am Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Teachers, all my friends. My name is Pranjal Nishikant Tagavre. It is Independence Day, a great day. It is celebrated on 15 August. Proud to be Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Teachers and my dear friends. My name is Krishna Nashri Senior 25. Today is the celebration 15 August Independence Day. On this day, we celebrate country freedom. It is a national festival of our country. Independence not about from small country.
आणि त्या आहेत 2-3
Also, you
मी जाणार आहे पण माझ्यासोबत दुसरी एक मुलगी आहे आमच्या बिल्डिंगला सानवी गरड
I am proud to be Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. आज मेरा नाम पार्वती सिंह है। मैं दूसरी कक्षा रियो में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं आज आपको स्वतंत्रता दिवस का एक भाषण देने वाला हूँ। तो मेरे गुरुजनों और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आज हम यहाँ स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाने के लिए एकत्र हुए हैं। यह दिन हमारे देश के लिए बहुत ही खास दिन है। इस दिन कई साल पहले भारत अंग्रेजों के शासन से आजाद हुई थी। हमारे स्वतंत्रता सेनानी जैसे महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू और कई अन्य लोगों ने बड़ी बहादुरी से लड़ाई लड़ी थी ताकि हमारा देश आज़ाद हो जाए और हम उसमें रह सके। हमें हमेशा उनके बलिदानों को याद रखना चाहिए और अपने देश से प्यार करना चाहिए। आइए हम सब अच्छे नागरिक बनने का वादा करें, अपने भारत का गौरव बढ़ाएं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत। My name is Shreya Vergonika. I study in grade 2nd. First of all, I wish you very happy Independence Day. This day we celebrate Independence Day on 15 August every year. This day is most important day for all of us because 1947 our country became free from British rule. So many patriots lives there led for our freedom. So we should remember all of them and their sacrifices. And I am proud of my country and I love my country so much. And I promise to be good citizen. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you, guests, principal, ma'am, teachers, parents, and my all dear friends. My name is Krutika. I am studying in 2nd grade Oscar class. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. I am proud of my country and I love my country very much. So I promise to be a good citizen. Thank you. Respected chief guests, principal ma'am, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Aradhya Dhanaji Kodekar. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. This year we are celebrating 78th Independence Day of our country. It is a very important day. All of us we got independence on 15th August 1947 for the British rule. It is the greatest festival of democracy. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their life to get freedom for India. We should be grateful to our freedom fighters. I love my country very much and I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. My name is Purva Virashmani. I study in class 2nd and today I am going to speak on Independence Day. Independence Day is the most important day in the history of India. Independence Day celebrated on 15 August. Every year, great joy on this day. 1947, India was free from the British rule. It is our national festival and a national holiday. हम नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे हैं, दांत हमारे कच्चे, दिखते हम सच्चे, वादों के हम पक्के, हम ही सरहद जाएंगे, सीने पे डोली खाएंगे, मर जाएंगे, मिट जाएंगे, देश की शान बढ़ाएंगे, हम नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे, दांत हमारे कच्चे। जय हिंद, जय भारत। Thank you. Respected principal and teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Aram Kamlezada. I am studying grade 2. First, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. India free in 1947. I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you, everyone. Everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Rajardhan Dhananjay Sonwalkar. I wish you happy returns of Independence Day. Friends, our Mahatma Gandhi, Jyotirao Phule, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, they devoted their entire life to. I am proud of to be Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good morning everyone, respected chief guests, principal, teacher, parents and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independent from the British rule. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldier fights continuously to protect our country. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
My name is Shivan Sharma. My school name is Ideal International School and Junior College Paltan. My principal name is Vaishal Shindeman. Welcome to our Independence Day celebration. Today we gather to honor and celebrate the sacrifice and hard work of our forefathers. As we raise the flag and sing the national anthem, remember this unity and diversity to make our nation strong. Thank you, Jai.
Good morning everyone, respected chief guests, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Sanskriti Bhosle from grade 5th. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great to write this speech. This day is very important for us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose and many more devoted their entire life to make our country independence. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country. We have our own fundamental rights. I want to honor my country through a poem. जिसके डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, जिसके डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. Thank you. Jai Hind everyone. Today is 15 August. We are celebrating 78th Independence Day. First, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. It is celebrated on 15 August. It is very important day for us. We got freedom on 15 August 1947 from the British rule. On this day, we remember our freedom fighters. जिसका ताज हिमालय है जहाँ अनेकता में एकता है, जिसका ताज हिमालय है जहाँ अनेकता में एकता है, जहाँ सत्यमेव जयते नारा है, वह भारत देश मेरा है, वह भारत देश मेरा है. थैंक यू. Good morning, dear guests, president, teachers, and all my friends. Today is our Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival of India. On August 15, 1947, India became free from the British rule. Together we must strive to be and develop our country, making it the greatest in the world. 15 August 2024, India will celebrate its 78th Independence Day. I love my country very much. Thank you everybody. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Respected chief guests, principal ma'am, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Parth Jagdish Akhade. I am studying in grade 5th. First of all, I wish you very happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating Independence Day, a day when India became free from British rule on 15 August 1947. This is a very special day for all of us because we remember the brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev and many others who fought for our freedom. As a young child, it's our duty to respect the freedom that they gave us. Study well, be good citizens and always love our country. मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जिसके होठों पे गंगा और हाथों में तिरंगा है। वो देश जो कभी सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, कभी वंदे मातरम, तो कभी पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग है। मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जो हर ठुकराए हुए का भी शरण स्थली बन जाता है और 7 समंदर पार परदेशियों को भी अपने ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स कहलाता है। यही प्रेम की पूज्य भूमि भारतवर्ष कहलाता है। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू।
Respected Chief Guest, Principal Ma'am, parents, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Ayush Kamlesh Yadav. I am studying in 5th standard. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Now I am going to speak few lines about Independence Day. Independence Day is the most important day in the history of India. In 1947, India became free from British rule. On this day, we remember our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, and many others. This is our 78th Independence Day. This day is celebrated in schools, colleges, and government institutions. I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Chief guest, Principal Ma'am, and all my dear friends. And today I am going to speak few lines on Independence Day. Independence Day is the most important day in history of India. Independence Day celebrated on 15 August every year great joy. On this day, 1947, India became free from the British rule. It is our national festival and national holiday. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi. The Indian Army, Navy, Air Force comprise the parade at Red Fort in Delhi. People remember, every state chief minister of that state hoists the flag. People remember sacrifice of our great freedom fighters in school, colleges, many cultural activities like sports, music, dance, etc. are organized, sweet distributed. I love my country very much and proud of to be Indian. दिल हमारा एक है हमारी जान। हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, हम ही उसकी शान। जान लुटा देंगे वतन पर, हो जाएंगे कुर्बान। इसलिए कहते हैं मेरा भारत महान। जय हिंद, जय।
I am in grade 4th and my name is Sahil Ganesh Yadav. Today we celebrate the great nation on Independence Day. On August 15, 1947, we get independence from British rule. Independence Day is a time to think about what freedom truly means and how should be it justly used. Freedom gives us right to speak, to learn, and to live our lives the way we choose. But with freedom comes responsibility. So we should always respect our country and work hard to make it stronger nation. I love my country very much and we should try to keep up the name of our country in the heights of sky. So let's come together. Good morning, all of you. Today we are celebrating the Independence Day of India. We should not forget the sacrifices like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev and all the freedom fighters. As a responsible citizens in our national anthem, now I would like to finish my Independence Day speech with a few lines in faith-ease words. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
My name is Diksha Neeraj More. Today is 15 August. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This year we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. This year we are celebrating
78th Independence Day. On this day, 1947, Independence Day was National Festival of the India. We should always respect our brave freedom fighters. I love and unity. I proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Respected principal, parents, teacher, guests, and all my dear friends. My name is Chandrashika Kumari. Today we are together here celebrate a very special day, that is the Independence Day. On 15 August 1947, India got independence from Britishers. India became a free nation on this day. Freedom was not easy to get. Many heroes sacrificed their lives to get freedom for India. Due to the brave warriors in our country, India became a free nation. India became independent today, and today we celebrate this day to pay tribute those brave warriors. Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. My respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Shubham Manasiste. First I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is the national festival of India. On this day, 1947, India became freed from British rule. Good morning everyone. I am Sanskriti, studying in grade 4. Today is 15th August. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of India. This year we celebrate our 78th Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India became free from British rule. On Independence Day, we sing our national anthem. We host our national flag. We remember our freedom fighters on this day. I love my country very much. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन. मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन. जिसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन. ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन. इसकी मिट्टी से बने तेरे मेरे बदन, इसकी धरती तेरे मेरे वास्ते गगन. जिसने ही सिखाया हमको जीने का चलन, जीने का चलन. सार है मेरा तन मेरा मन. अपने इस चमन को स्वर्ग हम बनाएंगे. कौन कौन अपने देश का सजाएंगे. जश्न होगा जिंदगी का, होंगे सपन मगन, होंगे सपन मगन. निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन. ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन. मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन.